Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Before it begins, I want to mention that only a small portion of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see similar content, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind.
Ashland and Dakota Avenues for road improvements associated with the adjacent transit development there in that area. You may use Thompson as a detour route, and drivers are encouraged to plan their routes accordingly. Mike Martinez, KMJ Traffic.
Our valley is in the red. That means unhealthy air quality for every...
This is a new song, it's called Easier to Run.
I'm not complaining at all. I'm not complaining at all.
Wow, that guy's gonna lose it. He's gonna lose it. Almost. Oh, boom!
Message and data rates may apply. If you're considering going back to school, ask yourself.
No, if you leave the scene of the accident, I'm going to grab your license plate. I mean, I'm sorry, but...
I'm telling you that I will give you the check right now. We can go get
it's not going to happen. The police are on their way to right here, right now.
I just wanted to get this settled down, okay? I mean...
I understand.
I thought that you would not expect because this lane was clear. I'm not making any excuses, sir. You know, you're right, I should have maintained the distance, but this is a turning place, you know.
Right, and I turned into the median to make sure the left lane was clear.
You did stop unexpectedly.
No,
okay?
I didn't actually. I had my brakes on the whole way through here, and I don't want to hear your bullshit.
No.
Stop.
Oh, you f***ing idiot!
What are you gonna do, you f***ing idiot? What a What are you f***ing doing? You calm down, mate. Calm the f*** down! You're a f***ing idiot, mate. Calm down! Pull over and flog you, old.
What was that chick supposed to do?
Picking on women, you f***ing old. Hey, stupid. It's on camera. What?
Yeah.
Throw your drink at it.
Holy.
Oh my God, they are beautiful. Wow. Yeah, that is way too close. I think that's the closest semi-tailgater that I've seen so far. Shoot, you never know if a blackout could happen at any moment.
Right.
Well,
a blackout happens and you're lit up by everybody else's lights. You kind of hide it and miss.
But what if everybody else's lights dim out too?
oh my God. Oh! You freaking douche.
And getting it too, you flying.
I was just about to pass there.
Well, typically that would be 10 to 14 days after symptoms begin, and I think out that just because the president's symptoms have been reportedly been mild now, that